Today, Gypsy Trail Palm and I are out here, made our way back to southern Ohio, looking for some Native American earthworks. And in this particular area, right off the trail here, there are some earthworks hidden in this very dense woodland area. And we're going to try to point them out to you as we see them. They're extremely difficult to make out, probably a lot harder on video than it is in real life even, because they are not preserved and they're not recovered. I shouldn't say they're not preserved, they are preserved because they're in their natural state. But if you look at the top of this little hill line here, you'll see that there's an extra ridge up here, and all of it is man-made. You can see here as we walk down along this line that this humped up area here in the middle, kind of where those two big trees are, that's all a 3,000-year-old Native American earthwork, and it circles all the way through the center of the screen there. Let's try to give you another look. Here it's a little more difficult, but you might be able to make out how the trees almost grow up into a little hump there in the center. And again, while that might look like natural ground, all of that was made by human hands. Here's a much better look. You can see how all this area here is mounded up. Now it's believed that this area was developed by the Hopewell Indians. It is often called a fort location, but it's actually not a fort. It's more of a ceremonial location. You can kind of see, I hope you can make this out on video, you can kind of see how that's rounded off in the center of the screen there again. And possibly imagine that back 3,000 years ago, this particular area actually sat on a hilltop. There was not this much growth up here. That's at least the understanding. So that this location would have given a broad view of the surrounding valley, of a creek system. I believe it's called the Twin Creek, that runs into the Great Miami River here in southern Ohio, southwest Ohio rather. So hopefully you see these images as more than just some random video of woods. There's actually a lot more going on here. And it's my hope that this recording does some type of justice to the beauty of this area. And I'm really hoping you can make it out. Here's a pretty good view. Again, through the center of the screen there, you'll see the slant of the land. And again, that is all made by human hands 3,000 years ago. So pretty much lost in this forest unless you know what you're looking for. But that's it. That's all we've really got for you today. Hopefully you enjoyed this journey with us. If you're interested, I'd like you to do a little research on your own into the mound builder culture. Check out some of the other videos we have on that on our channel. And maybe, just maybe, we'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or checking out one of our other videos right here.